I hope you all are doing well. I'm also well. So in this video, we will understand related TCS entry in Telegram. Namaste doston. Hello friends, this is Suman Sarma. Welcome and welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. So before starting video, let me tell you something related TCS information which were announced in Budget 2025 in Feb month by the Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. So TCS on sale has been removed from 1st April 2025 and there is certain transaction of TCS purchase of forest produce product. So only rate was revised before April 2025, rate was 2.5%. TCS were collected, and after 31st March, 1st April 2025, rate is 2%. So 2% TCS will be collected if you have purchased forest produce related product. So if you are trying to record TCS on purchase entry and TCS is not calculating correctly in Telegram. So basically, I'm going to tell you how to record correctly TCS on purchase entry in Telegram. So let's get started. This is the invoice screenshot I have taken to explain you how to record this entry correctly. So this is the screenshot of original invoice in PDF. So in this invoice you can see we have purchased two items, imported pine sawan timber, and again we have purchased imported pine sawan timber. You can see HSN quantity and rate, and after that there is a freight charges of 2500, and then 9.99% tax has calculated, and TCS at the rate of 2%, 1724. This is the TCS calculated at the rate of 2%, as because this is the invoice after 1st April 2025. So that's why TCS has been collected at the rate of 2%. So let me tell you how to calculate TCS. So TCS calculates on total sale invoice. So let me show you how you will be record this entry in TelePrime. So open TelePrime from Gateway of TelePress V, and from the right hand side select purchase voucher and select party account ledger. If party account ledger is not created, so by pressing Ctrl C you can create party ledger account under sundry creators group and provide all the information related party. And after that purchase ledger, select purchase account if not created. So by pressing Ctrl C you can create party account ledger under purchase account, and after that we have to select the item. By pressing Ctrl C you can create stock item is if not created. So I am creating pine sawan timber. So before creating this, you need to configure, press F11, and there is an option TCS. So enable TCS option. After that, you have to record the entry. And under unit, select the unit in which unit you are purchasing the goods. And after this, provide all the information related GST details. From the right hand side, click on configure option, and there is a HSN option. You can enable HSN option, and from the invoice we will see, we will enter HSN, and under taxability select taxable, and 18% tax rate will be applied on this product. Save this ledger and enter the quantity, and after that total amount. So in this way you can add the stock item, how much stock item you are purchasing in the invoice. So again we are going to enter the quantity and the rate, and after this there is a freight charges rupees 2500. So we will select here inward freight charges, as because we are applying on purchase invoice, so that is why we will select inward freight charges. This is 2500. Input CGST 9% and input SGST 9% will be applicable 6575. So this is the matching from the invoice. Now we will apply TCS on purchase. So TCS on purchase 1724, but in invoice you can see there is showing 14111, as because this is the wrong calculated TCS. TCS is calculating only on taxable value.
So let me open the TCS on purchase ledger. So let's see all the options are picked correctly or not. So TCS on purchase ledger group is selected as a current assets. So why we have created this ledger under current assets? Because TCS is collected from us, so we will claim in the future. So that's why this is a current assets for us. So that's why we will create this ledger under group current assets. We have as duties and taxes. If this option will not show you, so click on configure option, and there is a under tax details you can get to see we have set ledger as a we have duties and taxes. Mark that option yes, so this option will be appear on your screen. Type of duty tax, select other option, and then percentage of calculation, so 2% you have to mark, and the next option calculation, method of calculation on total sales, and then select normal rounding and select one item. Now you will get to say we have checked out all the options picked correctly, but still TCS on purchase is not calculating correctly. There is no changes. So from the right hand side there is a configure option. Click on this option. Mark yes as a both show more configure option. Under tax details you can get to see calculate tax on current subtotal. Mark this option as a yes. You will get to see now TCS has been calculated correctly 1724. This is a match by the party invoice. So this is the very important option. From the right hand side click on configure option, and under text detail click subtotal taxable option as a yes. Then TCS on purchase will calculate correctly. So this is how you can book TCS on purchase invoice correctly in Teleprime, as I have shown you, as I have told you in this video. So I hope you will also record the TCS on purchase entry correctly in Telegram. So let me show you where you will get to see TCS on purchase impact in balance sheet. So click on go to option, and from here we will open balance sheet. So click on balance sheet option. You will get to see from the right hand side under assets option, under current assets option you will get to see TCS on purchase is showing over here.
You can search my channel on Google or on YouTube by searching Suman Education Hub English. You will get my channel over there, and you will get all the videos related accounts, related taxation in English language. If you wish to learn accounting work in Hindi language, so I have one more channel in the Hindi language, Suman Education Hub. So where I teach accounting and taxation work related in Hindi language. I wish this information will help you out. If this information will help you out, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.